Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create Facebook Reel on Facebook page. Facebook are introduced new features couple of weeks ago, and you can create same reels as you creating in your Instagram account. So how to do it and how to create Facebook Reel on Facebook page? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start how to create Facebook page reel. Simply open your Facebook application, and this is my Facebook account. So here in my Facebook account, so I just simply press here in the home button and look at this here at top of the screen, reel, room, group and live. So you just select here reel option, and now you can create your Facebook reel. So look at this here, first option audio. You can select which audio you want select. So we can go with their Pushpa dialogue. So you just simply select here.
Flowers, Pushpa naam sun ke flowers samjhe kya?
Then done, and then start this video.
Kya? Fire hai
Okay, next.
Pushpa naam sun ke
You
flowers
can
samjhe kya?
see this
Fire
particular
hai
dialogue is properly batched or not, and then go to the next. You can put it here description and share the reel on your Facebook reel option. And now where exactly publish this particular reel? So you can see here top of the screen story, reels and room. So you click here in the reel, see more reels on short video, place your photos and look at this here. I already published several Facebook reels here, so you can upload such kind of reels page also. So that one is quite amazing. Facebook are introducing couple of months ago only, so you can come here and improve your acting talent using these tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.